Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen short wheelbase Caddy Life. This Caddy Life has 5 seats with a 122 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This Caddy is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the Caddy, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a quick look around the Caddy. To the front you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper you will notice front parking sensors. You'll also notice 2 nice chrome strips in the centre grille. This Caddy is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Caddy again, you will notice that this Caddy is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors on this Caddy are heated and power folding, so this would be a great advantage leaving the Caddy left on a busy road and also for cold winter mornings. You'll also notice it's got roof rails on top of the roof. On both sides of the vehicle you will notice sliding doors. Moving into the back of the Caddy, you will notice 3 comfortable seats for the rear passengers. You'll also notice ISOFIX anchorage points on the 2 outer seats. This is ideal for the correct child seat. Here we have the sliding door. To the back of the front seats you will notice 2 foldable trays with cup holder spaces. To the back of the centre console you will notice 2 handy C-charge ports for the rear passengers. At the back of the Caddy it's fitted with a tailgate. The rear bumper is also fitted with reverse parking sensors. You will notice on the back of the Caddy it's fitted with LED rear combination lights. It's also fitted with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. You will also notice the VW emblem and the Caddy badge on the rear tailgate. Now for a quick look inside the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space to the back of the Caddy. To this side you will notice a handy storage compartment. Across the floor you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. If you'd like more space you could take out the 3 rear seats. Above the driver and passenger seat you will notice some more handy storage. As we go back into the load area you will notice a cover to help keep your valuables out of sight. This Caddy is painted in Indium Grey, which is a metallic paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage in the door pockets. Across the dash you will notice some handy storage. Moving to the back of the Caddy you will notice it's fitted with 5 comfortable seats in Trialog cloth. To the centre of the console you will notice an armrest for added comfort on long journeys. This now finishes my 360 walk around the Caddy Life. For my next part of the video I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Moving up to the dash, this Caddy is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel you will notice media controls. To this side you will notice cruise control. This Caddy Life has covered 1,460 miles. Using the buttons on this side of the steering wheel you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back to the audio section I'd like to show you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash you will notice a 8.25 Multimedia System with Bluetooth connectivity. This will allow you to use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has the 2 major radio frequencies, FM and DAB radio. If I press this button it will show you that it's got 2 USB C-charge ports, which you'll find down here. This system also has App Connect, which will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This will allow you to stream your most popular downloaded apps from your mobile phone onto the system. My personal favourites at the moment is Waze and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that it's fitted with a parking aid for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. If I press the climate button in the centre of the dash, you will see the heater controls. Here's the temperature control, here's the fan motor control, here's the direction of the heat controls. It's also fitted with air conditioning. To adjust the temperature and fan, press the dot in the centre of the bars and move your finger from right to left to get your required settings. Moving away from the media screen, I'd like to go down to the automatic controls. Here we have the park button. Here we have the automatic gear stick. Moving back, you will see the electric park button. You'll also notice the auto hold function. This is ideal for when you're in long queues. And to the right, you will notice 2 handy cup holders. And now for a quick recap. This is a Volkswagen Caddy Life. It's a short wheelbase. It's fitted with a 122 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate Caddy Life, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be very happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Caddy. You could also ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.